Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and these are the Hanes Men's Max Cushion Crew Socks. I love buying socks in bulk that are all the same because inevitably you start losing socks. I don't know where they disappear to, but at least when they're all the same, you can double up with other ones and still make use of them. These are really comfortable, cozy socks. They're a super soft, stretchy material. I love the gray on the foot, just to add a little dimension to the sock. Just to show you the inside, the seam for the toe is actually on top. So if seams tend to irritate you when you wear them, if you're a little extra sensitive about that, the seam only hits the top of the toes. The actual middle part of the toe is seamless. It's nice and soft on the inside and thick, so you know these are gonna last a long time. They're not going to get holes in the toes or the heels quickly. We purchased the socks in size 6 to 12. My husband is a size 10 men's shoe, and these fit him perfectly. My husband has been a long-standing Hanes fan when it comes to his socks. He loves them. They last him a long time, and that's why we always end up purchasing them, and that's our point of view.